Today we have the Lifecast hemorrhage control arm. It has two different injuries on it. It's got your lower wound laceration that has an arterial bleed and your axilla arterial laceration as well. The lower wound is designed for your tourniquet training, and your axilla injury is designed for your packing. Now, this particular product comes with a bracket and some clamps, which you can buy all together, or alternatively, if you decide for your training, it's best just to have it on the ground. That's also something that you can utilize through TraumaSim without the bracket. It also comes with your 5-litre bottle and pressure sprayer here. So when it comes to having 3/4 filled with blood, you want to give it only 5 good pumps. That simulates the amount of pressure that would come from the heart down into your injuries in real life as well. This particular product is also good for use for two trainers, two students to be used at the same time, as you can have both bleeding at the same time, your forearm and your axilla. Today I'm just going to have one bleeding at a time because there's just one of me. So for your forearm, you're going to use your tourniquet. Turn the forearm on. I'm going to open up my tourniquet as quick as I can because it's bleeding out. Undo it from your packaging. Opened up the tourniquet and put it around the arm. Feed it through, the Velcro strap through, pull it tight, making sure the tourniquet is not directly on top of the joint here. Pull it as tight as you possibly can and twist the windlass rod until the bleeding stopped. Then make sure it is in the catch and pull the Velcro directly over the top and down. And then write the time that you put the tourniquet on. As you can see, that bleeding has now stopped, and in real life you will then attend to the wound. I'm going to turn this one on now. So this is your axilla packing wound. So we're going to pull out the packing gauze, same as before. Pull it out, have a feel of where the artery is, stick your finger up against that artery. Then you grab your packing gauze and stick your packing gauze, slide it next to the wound, making sure you're plugging that artery as much as you can and never leaving pressure up against that artery. Then you pack until it stops bleeding, making sure that you're putting as much pressure as possible in order to stop that bleeding, like so.